Hi, welcome to another session of Learning with ISRAR at ISRAR'S channel. Today, our topic of discussion is Inventory Analytics, in which we will discuss types of analytics and how they apply in different areas of inventory management and what are the related KPIs in each type of analytics to optimize the inventory management. So now let's first define what is inventory analytics. Inventory analytics involves using data analysis techniques to gain insight into inventory performance, optimize stock levels, and improve overall supply chain efficiency, helping businesses to reduce cost, avoid stockouts, and boost profitability. First, let's see what are the key areas where we apply inventory analytics. These are demand forecasting, inventory classification, inventory turnover analysis, inventory optimization, and real time inventory tracking. Now, let's discuss them one by one. The first one is demand forecasting, which is predicting future demand using historical sales data, seasonality, and other relevant factors. Second one is inventory classification, which is categorizing inventory items like ABC analysis, HML analysis, and VED analysis to focus on high value items and prioritize inventory management efforts. The next area of inventory analytics is inventory turnover analysis. It is measuring how quickly inventory is sold and replenished to assess inventory management efficiencies. Another main area of inventory analytics is inventory optimization. And by using inventory data to find out the most effective way to manage inventory and minimize the costs. The last but not the least area of inventory analytics is real time inventory tracking. By monitoring inventory levels in real time to track movement and status, ensuring immediate insights and faster responsiveness. After discussing the main area of inventory analytics, now let's discuss the different methods of inventory analytics, which are descriptive analytics, diagnostic analytics, predictive analytics, and then prescriptive analytics. Now let's discuss them one by one. The first one is descriptive analytics in inventory. Descriptive analytics in inventory management involves analyzing historical data to understand past inventory trends, performance, and patterns. It focuses on summarizing and visualizing data to provide insights for better decision making related to inventory. Some of the area in inventory descriptive analytic is inventory turnover rate, stock aging reports, ABC analysis, demand pattern, fill rate analysis, and dead stock identification. So now let's discuss them how they apply in the inventory management. The first one, inventory turnover rate, is the most important area of descriptive analytics in inventory, where we measure how often or how many times inventory is sold and replaced over a period of time. Another important area of descriptive analytics in inventory is where we track how long inventory has been sitting in storage or how long it takes to sell, which is called aging of the inventory. ABC analysis, in this area of descriptive analytics in inventory, we classify the inventory into three categories. A items for high value and low quantity, B items for moderate value and quantity, and C items for low value and high quantity. Another area of descriptive analytics in inventory is to find out the demand patterns. So we analyze sales trend to identify seasonal, monthly or weekly spikes or turn down in the sales to find out the pattern in the demand. Fill rate analysis. In this area of descriptive analytics in inventory, we measure the percentage of customers' order fulfilled without any stockouts. We also find out the dead stock in the inventory management. So in this area of descriptive analytics in inventory, we highlight or identify the non-moving or obsolete inventory or items in our inventory. We calculate following KPIs while performing descriptive analytics of the inventory. These are inventory turnover ratio, days sales inventory, stock to sale ratio, fill rate, stock accuracy, backorder rate, carrying cost of inventory, shrinkage rate, dead stock rate, order cycle times, and sell through rate. We calculate these KPIs while we are doing descriptive analytics of our inventory to find out the real picture of our past performance related to our inventory management. In the next stage of inventory analytics, we do diagnostic analytics, which focuses on understanding why certain inventory trends or issues are occurring. This analysis aims to identify root causes, inefficiencies, and potential risks. Some of the main areas of diagnostic analytics in inventories are stockout investigation, low turnover analysis, and distribution efficiencies. So let's now discuss one by one. In stockout investigation, we see if a specific product consistently runs out of stock. Diagnostic analytics can help determine if it is due to high demand or underestimated lead times or suppliers issues. Another area of diagnostic analytics is to find out low turnover in the analysis. By analyzing the sales data, inventory levels, and other relevant factors, diagnostic analytics can help identify the causes of slow moving or obsolete items in our inventory. The next area for diagnostic analytics is distribution efficiency. If the shipments are delayed, diagnostic analytics can pinpoint the root cause, whether it is warehouse bottlenecks, transportation issues, or inaccurate demand forecasts. These are the KPIs for data analytics in the inventory. So while we are doing the diagnostic analytics, we calculate following KPIs. Those are inventory accuracy, cycle count accuracy, data entry error rate, dead stock ratio, slow moving items, inventory turnover by SKUs, forecast error rate, back order rate, suppliers lead time variability, on time delivery rate, carrying cost of inventory, and then shrinkage rate of the inventory. The next method of analytics in inventory is predictive analytics. Predictive analytics in inventory management leverages historical data, statistical models, and machine learning to forecast future inventory trends. The key focus of predictive analytics is on improving forecast accuracy, minimizing risk, and optimizing the inventory levels. Some of the areas of predictive analytics in inventory are demand forecasting. inventory optimization, reorder point prediction, lead time analysis, and seasonality analysis. The most important area of predictive analytics in inventory is demand forecasting, which helps in accurately predicting how much of a particular product will be needed during a specific period, upon which we manage all our supply chain. Predictive analytics in inventory also helps us in inventory optimization by determining the optimal amount of inventory to hold for each product or SKU on the every location. Reordering point is another very important point area of inventory management is. So predictive analytics in inventory helps us in predicting when to reorder inventory to avoid any stockouts. Lead time analysis in this area of predictive analytics in inventory helps in understanding and predicting the lead time, which is the time it takes to receive inventory from any supplier. Seasonality analysis in predictive analytics of inventory also helps us in forecasting demand based on seasonal trends and holidays. To do the predictive analytics of the inventory, we have to calculate following KPIs, which those are forecast accuracy, mean absolute percentage error MAPE, demand variability, reorder point prediction, optimal safety stock levels, stock out probability, predicted lead times deviation, supplies risk score, sales trend forecast, seasonal demand index, predicted inventory holding cost, and also inventory risk index. The next method of analytics in inventory is prescriptive analytics. Prescriptive analytics in inventory management goes beyond diagnosing and predicting issues. It recommends optimal actions to improve inventory performance. The prescriptive analytics focus on decision making insights, efficiency improvement, and cost optimization. The major areas of prescriptive analytics in inventories are optimizing reorder point, inventory optimization, demand forecasting and replenishment, warehouse layout optimization, dynamic pricing, production planning, risk management, predicting and mitigating potential issues, and capacity planning. Now let's discuss these one by one. The first one is optimizing reorder point. Instead of relying on fixed reorder points, prescriptive analytics in inventory can analyze historical demand, lead times, and safety stock requirements to determine dynamically optimized reorder points. Inventory optimization. Prescriptive analytics in inventory can help determine the optimal inventory levels for different products at different locations, considering factors like demand variability, capacity, storage cost, and potential stockouts. Demand forecasting and replenishment. By using historical sales data, seasonality, and market trends, predictive models can inform replenishment strategies derived from prescriptive optimization models, ensuring stock availability while minimizing holding costs. Next area of prescriptive analytics is warehouse layout optimization. So, predictive analytics can suggest the best placement of products within a warehouse to optimize storage space, minimizing handling cost, and improving order fulfillment speed. Dynamic pricing. Retailers can use prescriptive analytics in inventory to adjust prices based on demand, competition or competitors' pricing, and inventory levels. This enables them to find the ideal balance between maximizing profit and attracting the or keeping the customer happy. Production planning. Prescriptive analytics in inventory guides production planners process by giving insight into expected customer demand. Prescriptive analytics in inventory also helps in identifying potential risks and bottlenecks in supply chain so businesses can proactively manage them, such as avoiding transportation delays or supply shortages. Prescriptive analytics not only predicts future trends but also suggests proactive measures to mitigate potential problems like overstocking or stockouts. Capacity planning. Prescriptive analytics in inventory helps businesses to optimize their capacity based on forecasted demand, thus enabling them to make better decisions about resource allocation and infrastructure investments. To do a prescriptive analytics in inventory, we have to calculate following KPIs. So these are optimal reorder quantity, ORQ, inventory cost savings, stock allocation efficiency, dynamic safety stock adjustment, optimal order frequency, supplier's recommendation score, prescribed lead time buffer, prescribed stockout prevention actions, stockout reductions, prescriptive savings, and finally optimal price adjustments. As we can see that inventory analytics emphasizes the importance of leveraging data to optimize inventory management processes like forecasting, efficiency, cost control, strategic decision making, and customer satisfaction. So, incorporating inventory analytics tools and techniques is essential for achieving cost savings, improving operational efficiency, and ensuring a smooth supply chain. This was our presentation for today, and I hope you have learned a lot of information about inventory analytics. And please, if you have any questions, you can write in the comment sections, and I will be glad to answer those questions. Till next presentation, take care and have a good time.